Sophisticated design. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Exceptional quality. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. Versatility. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups or baby. With 9 speeds, choose your preferred pace depending on the task at hand. We recommend a lower setting for things like frothing hot drinks, while blending starches and thick soups may require a higher setting. Turbo mode. Kick it up a notch by tapping into Turbo mode, a setting found on the side of your blender's handle. This burst of increased power helps you efficiently move through high-resistance, dense recipes with ease. A blender, frother, and whisk head. Stainless steel, sharpened blades. 500W motor for powerful blending. 9 changeable speeds for increased customization. Turbo mode for when you need it. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my protein, fruit smoothies. This is the fastest and easiest to clean way to mix up my protein shakes. Frozen fruit and protein, ice water or crushed ice, and my shake is done in seconds. I just detach the blending part to hand wash and dry. So much easier than the blender and much less washing, since I drink these shakes 3 times a day. And I can control the shake texture more easily. Why didn't I try this tool before? It simplifies my life.